We start with the 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. If we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned there is a continuation, we can look for trade. But we didn't have a really good trade setup. The only thing is if anyone bought from here. That's mean if we move to 15 minute, we could look at this one as an internal flat for one move up. But buying within this one, the only way was to put our entry either above here or above the stop, which is not really good trade setup. That is the reason is as we can the price drop. Now we want to see how we can look at this. Can we put this one as a flat in relative to this? If for me, if I want to look for buy, I'll let the price retest this low, 0.135. Then if I get the reversal from there, I will look for buy. Okay, because since we get this sharp move, I don't think this is good trade setup to look for. It depends on the traders. We try to find the trade setup based on 1 hour chart, and similar to what we explained based on 15 minute. Let this one drop some more. Then if we see the reversal, we can look for buy, because mostly whenever we see the sharp move similar to what we get here, may the price can reverse. Okay, and especially if anyone is trading based on HITBTC, I cannot understand why the price is very low and compared to the other exchanges, and the way they are moving is really different. That's why if we want to look for trade setup, we need to be really careful in case they manipulate the price. Okay, and now one see how we can look at the higher time frame. First, we move to daily chart. We have been looking for buy since the price was within this move. I was keep highlighting any trade for buy, we will take the trade, because I mentioned if the prices start to move, it can move very sharply. Maybe we don't get a really good trade setup, and exactly this is what we get. But we have been looking for the breakout of the 18 cent price. The highest we get almost is 16. Now the question is whether can we expect the correction for continuation or not. This is the things. That's why if you want to look for buy, the best things is if we get the confirmation. That's mean bigger trade correction for continuation. But how about if the price continue and without giving us a trade setup? Then how we can look for trade? Forward chart also we don't have anything. The only things is we need to see the breakout of 16 0.165. Okay, before we the price tag 18 cents, and as we can see the price haven't tagged the 0.165, or the highest we get is almost 0.157. Okay, then how we can look for trade? The only way to look for trade, let this one drop some more, almost 0.135. Then if you get a reversal from there, we can look for buy. It doesn't mean we cannot look for reversal from here, but how about if the price reverse from here? Can we get a trade setup? Because if we want to look for trade setup, we need to see the sharp move, correction of flag, we take the trade. Even if you get any flag similar to any of this, it's not easy to trade. The reason is if I move to 15 minutes, it will be more clear. The reason is if we want to look for trade, technically we want to see the sharp move, flag, or deeper correction. Then from there we can put our entry above the top, and in case the price sharply continue, we catch the trade. But how about this one is not a flag? And even if we put this one as a flag, the first things if we put whether we put our entry above here, the top, or above here, this is where the trader should make a decision. The top is here, not there. Okay, and the second one, for example, if we wanted to buy from here, almost is near to the previous top. That's why we see there is no continuation. And right now, if I want to put this one in relative to this, I wanted this one drop some more. Then from there, I will take the trade. At least we can get the trade set up within this range. And with the breakout of the stop, at least we can move our stop loss to break even. Okay. Buying, even if I suggest to put your entry above here in case because already we have a flat. In case the price sharply reverse and continue, it is an option, but it's very risky. That's why we are not going to put an option in this analysis. Depends on the traders. Okay. Anyway, let the price drop some more. If we get a reversal, we can look for buy. And I mentioned in case the price sharply reverse from here, maybe we could put our entry above the 0.15. It depends on the traders. But if anyone is trading based on HITBTC, they need to be quite careful. The way they are moving is really different from other charts, other exchanges. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.